In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best airless spraying machines available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the airless spraying machines list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the airless spraying machines mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, KOTUMY 21V Airless Sprayer. The KOTUMY 21V multifunctional airless spraying machine is lightweight yet powerful, designed for latex paint and coating applications. Featuring a 21V lithium battery, it ensures cordless convenience and easy portability, perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With a 1.2 L hopper capacity and 1.1 liters per minute flow rate, it delivers smooth, even coverage. Its compact size of 33 by 6 by 11 centimeters and weight of just 2.87 kilograms make it easy to handle and maneuver. Certified CE, this high-pressure gun guarantees consistent performance for home or commercial projects. Number 4, FengKe FK 595 2600W Sprayer. The FengKe FK 595 electric painting sprayer is a high-performance airless spray gun ideal for large-scale painting tasks. Equipped with a 2600W brushless motor and piston pump, it delivers up to 3000 psi, ensuring smooth and efficient paint application. The 2.6 L capacity allows for extended work without frequent refills. Designed with professional contractors in mind, this sprayer supports both 110V and 220V power, and provides an optimal projection distance of 30 to 40 centimeters. Lightweight yet powerful, it's perfect for oil painting, walls, ceilings, and commercial projects. Number 3, FengKe FK 495 Professional Sprayer. The FengKe FK 495 Professional Airless Sprayer combines precision and efficiency for serious painting tasks. Powered by a 2500W brushless motor and piston pump, it reaches pressures up to 3300 psi, ensuring smooth coverage on walls, ceilings, and furniture. With a 2.5 L max flow and 0.027 tip size, this machine provides controlled, even paint delivery. Its durable AC power design supports 110, 220V and comes in a robust, compact body measuring 52 by 52 by 44 centimeters, ideal for both commercial and residential painting. It delivers professional results every time. Number 2, High-Pressure Lithium Airless Sprayer. This high-pressure airless sprayer with a rechargeable lithium battery is designed for efficiency and portability. Its backpack-style design allows for hands-free operation, making it convenient for long painting sessions. Lightweight yet robust, it is suitable for applying paints evenly on walls, furniture, and other surfaces. The electric-powered system ensures consistent spray pressure, minimizing paint wastage while maximizing coverage. Certified for safety, it's a reliable option for both DIY users and professional contractors who need mobility and performance. Number 1, SucceBuy 650W Airless Sprayer. The SucceBuy 650W stand airless paint sprayer delivers high efficiency and professional-grade performance for renovation and painting projects. Capable of 3000 psi output, it ensures smooth, even coverage for walls, ceilings, and large surfaces. Its extension rod enhances reach, while its ergonomic design provides stability during operation. Powered by AC electricity, this sprayer is reliable, durable, and built for frequent use. Perfect for renovation teams or serious DIY enthusiasts, it combines power, precision, and ease of use in a compact, professional package.